Hello friends, today I'm doing little Nutrafol unboxing. I've got it on Amazon. Looks like this. Packaging. Maybe I filmed different way. Came in this packaging. Nutrafol Woman Hair Growth 120 capsules. Here is the content. Let's open it. Cute. So it looks like this. Date June 2026. This one looks like this. Many ingredients. Let's open it. Keep growing, it says. So the purse looks like this. And it says to take 4 a day with meal for 3 to 6 months minimum. But at the beginning I will open it and put on hand to see if I have allergy or not. I do that after with supplements because I'm afraid that I have allergy. How to do it? Maybe here. So it looks like this. Put some on my hand. Not bad taste. I tasted it because I don't like swallowing capsules, so I will take this one. Actually, I thought it would be bitter and stuff like that, but it's not bad taste. Tastes like a little bit curcumin I can taste in it, and a little bit pepper, salty taste. But I need some drink. So far good. I don't see allergy. If I would have allergy, it would come out, I think. So that's my taste test and allergy test. So yeah. And my hair are thinning out since a few years now. They are really not that thick. Today I even cut them. So here are my hair. Here at the back they are fine, but here and bottom they are not that thick. Especially this side is on top here is not that thick. See, like I see it's not super thick here. It could be improved. That's why I want to take that Nutrafol and see how it is. Because here they're not thick, and the back they are not bad, but here I want more volume of hair. That's why I bought the Nutrafol. It was not too cheap too, and it's 120 times 4, so it's only for 1 month. But I don't gonna take 4 a day. That's too much, I think. I mean, with no side effects, then fine. But I have to observe first for side effects. If they are any, then I will have to even stop it. So yeah. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.